Okay, yeah, so this is layer 1. It's pretty much clear enough for me to start adding my next layer. And the bottle's clogged, and now it's not clogged, so okay. Hi, how are you? Let me spread this out. Okay, it's kind of thick, but okay. Okay, now this glue is a little bit everywhere. But I'm gonna make it work and then wipe away this excess glue. But it looks like I'm on my line where I wanna be, so I'm just gonna have to dry that out. But yeah, so a big chunk of glue just came out and I just smoothed it out there. I drug it around, kind of trying to thin it out and make sure it's clear. You guys know I'm out here in Culver City, so sometimes I wonder if when the neighbors see me taking on and off my wig or gluing down my wigs, they're like, what is this crazy girl doing over here? Well, I don't really care. Yeah, so I put a little bit extra right here on my, over there because this is what, oh, this is way too much glue. This is what starts lifting for me first. And I would never use this much glue. So, but this bottle keeps getting stuck and too much glue is coming out. So this is getting to be a hot glue mess. We're gonna see how this comes out because it's a lot of glue. But I know it needs to be clear, so I'm just gonna keep smoothing it down and yeah, we're gonna work it out because I'm gonna smooth this and I'm going to dry it on the cool setting. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep spreading it out. Yeah, this will be fine. So see how I just kind of smooth that out a lot? There we go. It's still white right now, but I'm about to hit it with some cool air and make it go clear. Don't forget about our Black Friday sale. I posted a poll in our story earlier and it's in our feed. I'm trying to get a feel for what you guys would like for our Black Friday sale. We're gonna have some really big discounts in store. Everything in store will be 30 to 50% off that day only. So get here early. The line, I don't know, but the doors will open at Black Friday is a Friday, so we will be open from 10 to 7. Everything will be on sale in store, 30 to 50% off, and we will have a sale online as well. We will also have a sale on custom orders placed. So if you want a unit that's not in the store, we will be having a sale on custom units, and then I'll have a discount code for the website as well. And there will also be a discount on custom color. So yeah, Black Friday, we are bringing this heat. But yeah, we're gonna have a great sale Black Friday, so stay tuned. If you have been waiting to shop with us and you want a great deal, great bargain, same great quality, come on in Black Friday. Tomorrow maybe I'll have time to kind of show the wigs that we have now. I do have 2 more orders coming before then to make sure our shelves are really, really stocked. And I'm doing my wig on now because I'm going on a business trip next week. And I have a meeting tomorrow morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue my wig down now. So you see how it's getting clearer. I really wanted to spread that glue out so it wasn't too thick. And you see it's getting clearer, so that's good. I'm blow drying it with cool air so that way it will dry. I don't blow dry with heat because it's too hot. And the cool air works just fine. It's taking a little bit longer to dry because of how much glue I had to use, but it's still tacky. Not tacky enough though. So if you're just tuning in, I'm re-gluing my wig down. And this is coat number 2. Let me know if you have any questions or want to go live. And this is the same wig I've been wearing since Memorial Day. Pretty much every day. So I'm just drying it with cool air until it's pretty much clear before I add, I'm gonna add one more coat. I don't know why I always do 3 coats. Yeah, I need to dry it more. So I'm about to add this last coat. I'll see you in the next video.